What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we are going to go over the crypto market today because it's kind of been a stagnant day. It hasn't really been going up too much or down too much, but a little 1%, 2% here and there. 1.62% for Bitcoin, 1.96% for Ethereum over here, Dogecoin at 1.47%. So we're kind of just been stagnant today, which is actually good news, but it's good news because we've been having a lot of FUD going on today, and FUD, everyone knows it by now, but if you don't, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that's pretty much what we're gonna go over today. All the FUD that we have and some good news too. Like this right here is pretty good news with crypto. So, anyways, Crypto.com becomes Malta's first licensed digital currency exchange to offer bank transfers. So they're the first digital currency exchange to offer bank transfers inside of Malta. If you don't know where Malta is all the way out here, European island over here. So yeah, you can see it over here, right off the coast over here, and yeah, this is Malta right off the coast of Italy inside of here. And yeah, it's pretty much, I don't know anything about Malta, but I know where they are. So that's all. But anyways, let's go over here to the crypto.com news. That's actually really good news, honestly, because crypto.com is a pretty good exchange. I have a link in the description if you want to use that. You don't have to use it though. But anyways, it's a pretty good exchange, especially if you don't want to have like an actual bank account. You just want your investment account to be like your bank account. You know what I'm saying? Like you just have the crypto.com card, then you can buy it anywhere you want. You can spend Dogecoin, you can spend Bitcoin, you can spend Ethereum, you can spend whatever you want. And it's actually best to just spend crypto.com coin with the crypto.com card, because then they'll just give you your cash back inside of crypto.com coin. So that's pretty cool news there. And now they have their first EMI license, so good news for them. And let's go on to our next things for today. So anyways, the regulators going after Binance. Is this a threat to crypto, or is it just FUD? So I believe it is a threat to crypto, because Binance are really huge. They're a really huge exchange, and if they want to get away with this, they're gonna have to pay off some really big people. And unless they, pay off people to stay off the radars, there's no way that they're going to be able to get away with what they're doing right now, because people literally cannot take their money out of Binance. People are literally not able to move their money in places. People aren't even able to log into some of their accounts, and it's going all over the place. So I hope everyone gets their money back from Binance. I remember I was trying to get money out of Binance. I couldn't even get it out. So I had to switch over to Voyager. That's why I got that link in the description now, that Voyager link. But yeah, Binance has been having some problems. Anyway, the growing list of regulators after Binance. So they have a whole new list of regulators going after them, right? So now they have Japan, Singapore, and they have the Cayman Islands join the list, stating that Binance is not authorized to operate in the islands. So a lot of different people are coming after Binance. Like, this is crazy right now. Eventually, America's going to do it. The United Kingdom has already did it. And a lot of people are coming after Binance, so America probably will next. But real threat or just FUD? But I don't know. I believe that it is a real threat. Some people believe it's FUD, but anyways, it says having multiple watchdogs going after you sounds like a major hurdle, and I guess this is what it feels like for Binance right now. So according to industry analyst Adam Cochran, whatever he is, all of these developments don't seem like coordinated attacks. So instead, Cochran outlined a few more plausible scenarios. In the first one, he points out that larger nations might be trying to build a case and has called in favors from other regulators. So anyways, it says, on the other hand, there's a collaboration to some extent to go after a criminal organization that used Binance. So they're saying they're going after criminal organizations that used Binance, but Binance is getting caught in the middle. I don't know, because there's a lot of other stuff that's going on that criminal organizations aren't even behind. But anyways, I don't know exactly what it is, so I'm not going to speak on it. But hopefully this whole situation with Binance gets resolved, because Binance is one of the largest crypto firms out there, one of the largest crypto exchanges next to Coinbase. So hopefully this gets solved. But anyways, let's go to the next thing. U.S. Senator, more FUD right here. So U.S. Senator Warren prods, whatever you want to say, SEC to regulate crypto exchanges, warns Congress might need to take an additional step. So additional action, additional step. And anyways, this has been going on for a while. She has really been trying really hard to get these regulations on crypto. Hopefully she doesn't. But anyway, she says that the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency markets is unstable. And I will say something. Imagine paying, all right, so check this out. Imagine paying a huge amount of taxes like they're doing right now. 40% of taxes on your crypto like they're already doing, right? And then crypto drops 40%, yet you just paid 40% in taxes. Now, this is exactly why crypto should not be regulated. So anyways, that is my point on it anyways. But I don't think crypto should be regulated. It's peer-to-peer transactions, so we're not buying anything from any stores, we're not gaining any money, we're just taking money from other people and transferring it through hands. But it's a peer-to-peer transaction. I don't believe crypto should be taxed, but that's me personally. But anyways, it kind of goes against what crypto is meant for. So if you want it to be, you know, the number one currency in the world, then it's going to get regulated. So that's probably going to happen eventually. But anyways, 350K stolen from 93,000 victims of fake crypto mining Android apps. And I've been mentioning this. You do not want to go and mine crypto on your phone. Most likely it's a scam. But anyways, it says according to a recent report, security company Lookout discovered 172 bogus Android applications meant to be used for digital assets mining. Instead, the apps turned out to scam at least 93,000 victims and embezzled some $350,000 from them. The applications were categorized into two distinct Android app divisions: BitScam, Cloud Scam. And yeah, they're pretty much scamming people here. So this really does suck. Anyways, it says at their core, BitScam and Cloud Scam advertised crypto mining operations for a fee to the clients. However, the apps did not provide the aforementioned services and pocketed the victims' money. So yeah, they didn't even provide them services to mining, yet they took the money. So pretty much they don't actually provide you mining services, but they just take your money and they say, now go mine, and then they let you go mine, and then you mine, and then once you try to withdraw what you mined, it won't let you withdraw it because you didn't mine anything and it was all fake. So that's pretty much what happened out there. Anyways, it says these apps were able to fly under the radar because blah blah blah, but they weren't paying attention pretty much. But anyways, this really does suck a lot, but you just have to be careful out there with anything you use dealing with crypto. There's a lot of scammers inside of my comment section too, so definitely be careful for them. Never listen to any WhatsApp numbers or Telegram numbers inside the links in the descriptions. Never listen to any of that. People will just start spreading nonsense, right? They'll make an account called Marsellis. They'll be like, I'm Marsellis, go to my WhatsApp number and I'll pay you, or something like that. Don't believe any of that. It's all fake. But anyways, another large bank in South Korea provided custody of crypto assets. So another large bank in South Korea to provide custody of crypto assets. That's pretty good. And anyways, Wori Financial Group, that is the name of it, one of the South Korea's largest banking companies, is getting into digital asset custody. So good news there. Hopefully they continue to spread this awareness, but as this awareness gets spread, just know there's going to be more regulations and taxes if we're going to have crypto at the forefront of the digital currency market. So anyways, that's going to be inevitable. So let's go on to our next thing. Crypto lending is booming as investors hunt for yield. It turned this company from niche startup to $1 billion unicorn in just 4 years. So crypto lending is booming right now. So anyways, this is a lot of different crypto companies are blowing up. Anyone who makes a crypto company right now is instantly becoming a millionaire right off the bat. If it's successful, they're just blowing right off the bat with $1 million. Just because all these transaction fees with these different crypto ATMs that they're doing, the crypto lending services, anything crypto is going off. Like crypto exchanges, they're going crazy. You're making an actual crypto coin, you're gonna get a lot of money, and anything crypto is gonna get you a lot of money at this point. But yeah, Jeff Bezos steps down as CEO. Wow, that's not big news. I mean, we already knew this anyways. So Jeff Bezos stepped down as Amazon CEO, and UFC teams up with Crypto.com in this week's news. So yes, if you guys did not know, UFC is teaming up with Crypto.com, and Crypto.com is now accepted in Malta, like an actual digital currency in Malta. So that is huge. And now we also have this with UFC. So we have stuff going on left and right. So a lot of different stuff going on in the crypto market today. So anyways, crypto long and short bears markets does not spell downturn. But anyways, crypto long and short, a bear market does not spell downturn. I don't think a bear market would say a complete downturn is zero, but we're probably going to go down a little bit more in the crypto market just because we've been so stagnant and all the FUD coming left and right. You know, people are going to end up selling out. It's human nature. So they're going to see the FUD in the media and people are going to sell progressively over time, but it's going to stop at some point, and then people are going to FOMO back in because it's how people are. As soon as, you know, everything starts to not be so full of FUD and fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and all this news about the taxes with crypto, all these different regulations, all these different scams, the second all this stuff stops, that's when the FOMO is going to start back up. Because remember, when we had FOMO, none of that was being talked about. Only good stuff about crypto was being talked about. So all we have to do is wait for a little while and the FUD will eventually stop anyway. But it's saying that here, this company sells passports to Americans looking for a tax break on their Bitcoin profits. So the more we get stuff like this, the more the FUD kind of dies out, because people are complaining about the taxes with crypto. Well, now you got companies like this that'll give you a tax break for your cryptos. And anyways, it's like a passport, they're saying. So it's saying, as the name suggests, Plan B Passport offers crypto-rich clients a path to a second passport in their pick of 7 mostly tropical tax haven states, all of which are exempt from capital gains taxes on crypto holdings. So they said I was smart enough to figure out that $200 in Bitcoin will be worth $100,000 at some point, and they said they didn't think that would be a 40% tax by the government, but yet it is a 40% tax. So that's why you want to move to one of these safe havens out there inside these tropical islands, because usually they have no crypto taxes. So that's pretty good news there. It says in the United States, the IRS treats virtual currency, which includes Bitcoin, as property. So yeah, this means Bitcoin is taxed the same manner as stocks and real estate. So at a basic level, the taxpayer's basis in the Bitcoin is what the taxpayer purchased for. And when the taxpayer sells or exchanges that Bitcoin, it is a taxable transaction. So anytime you send it to another wallet, that's taxed. Like, this is bad. Like, they really need to work on these regulations, because we do not need anything like that in crypto. Like, that's just criminal right there. But anyway, so let's say the taxpayer purchases 1 Bitcoin for $10,000 and sells it for that, blah blah blah, then you only pay $40,000, or of the $40,000 that you made, really. So honestly, I think it's worth it to do something like this, because they say it's technically legal. They say it's technically legal because you're going to have a second citizenship. So you are a citizen of this other place. So if you make the money in crypto over there, you don't have to pay for taxes over here. So it's a win-win situation. But anyway, that's all I have for today. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.